Hey, it's Mr. Barr here for your next chapter in Computer Concepts, which will be Chapter 6, and we'll be doing a mail merge. So what you'll want to do is get into Word, and what you'll do is go to a blank document to start. So no files to start, and what you're going to do is click on Mailings, which is one of your tabs at the top, and there should be these different options here. You want to go to the one that says Start Mail Merge, and we're going to go down to the one that says Step-by-Step Wizard. When I click on that, I'm going to get a Mail Merge Wizard box that appears, and I have to go through and choose the different options. I'm going to choose a letter, then I hit Next. And when I hit next, it gives me three different options. Use the current document, start from a template, or use an existing document. In this case, what we're going to do is start from a template and then go down to select template. Then there's general, accelerated letters, other documents, reports, and resumes. They want us to choose the letters one, and they want us to choose a timeless letter and hit OK. When I do that, I should have this appear on my screen, and it should say step 2 out of 6. And then what we're going to do is go to the Design tab and says Colors, and they want us to go to our colors, and they want us to go down to orange red, and then it says to go down to the company name, and the name will be Dwayne Jackman. The street address is going to be 4413 Parker Road, New Orleans, Louisiana, with the zip. The telephone number is going to be, change the tell part of it to cell. And then the cell number is going to be 504-555-0127. It says to delete fax and fax. For email, it's going to be dj97 at cengage.net. And delete the website. It says to then highlight all that information, and currently you should be in, like, mine's 10, the book says 9, and it says to make it all 14 except for his email, which should be 10. And watch yourself, because mine did that. Make sure the D stays lowercase, because sometimes it'll do that. It'll automatically uppercase it. Then it says to highlight everything again and bold. Then it tells us to go over here where it says replace with logo, and right click on that and go to change picture, and then I believe from online sources is where we want to go, and they say to type in catechist. And what should appear is different forms of these. I'm trying to find the one they have. I'm not seeing it. Because they said to choose the one that they have, which is not there. So we'll just choose the first one and we'll insert that image, and it should insert it just like that. But then it says immediately go to picture format, and it says change it to 0.92, 0.74. And I hate when it does that, because when I'm changing one, it's making me change the other. So just leave it 0.74, 0.74, because it's just not letting me keep one or the other. Not a big deal. We'll just stay with that. Then what it wants us to do it says position your cursor inside the contact information somewhere, and there should be a table design format option. Actually, shape format is the one they want us to do. So do the shape format, and it says change the shape fill to dark red accent 2, darker 25%. Which to me almost looks maroon. Then it says to change your font color to white. Trying to get it. Let's see. Then it says to click on this section and make that see if we can get this to work. I'm going to try a different fill. Okay, yeah, use this fill color because that's the right way. So it's like that. So go under home to fill, because the other way is just not doing what it's supposed to. And then do your fill color here, and this one's going to be a gray, text to lighter 40%. So it's like a dark gray. So you got maroon with white with a gray background, and then this should still be white. And then it says after that what you can do. You can get rid of the grid lines so that it just shows up looking like that. The next thing it wants us to do is choose the date. Okay, so two problems. This one, I'm off my game right now, is going to be a lighter gray accent 5 lighter 60%, and then this one is going to be darker gray accent 2 darker 25%, lighter 40%. So that's the way it should look. I apologize. So then it tells us to click on this one. So it should look like this. I apologize. Then what it wants us to do, it says, is go to your layout tab and go to your margins. And once you choose margins, they say to go to your custom margin. And that should appear right here. They want you to have one on the left, one on the right, okay. There we go. 1.25, 1.25. And then click back up here and move this one down to 0 so that there's no shading in between. Then we're going to go back up here and click on this, and we're going to go to see more. And what they want us to do is alignment centered with margin. That's fine. Then they want us to choose absolute position, and they want us to make it 1 below page. And then when I hit OK, it should move the whole thing down to the graphic being 1 inch below page. And then what we'll do at this point is we'll do a file save as, and we'll save it to this PC, and we'll save it as sc_wd _6_ Jackman cover letter. And after you have all that done, we'll probably call that a good stopping point for the first day of this lesson. So get that done, pause as needed. Good luck.